everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware. This comes in a street called Hospital Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India. The landmark for this place is this Maharaja complex. You can just have a look. This is a backside, and one more landmark is Pothys. Right in the dead end of the street there is Pothys. Right opposite to this there is a street. This is Maharaja complex backside. So when you come to the backside, when you go little bit down like this, you can just see one street will come. You have to just go straight, and then his outlet is going to come. Keep going straight from here. You can just see you have to go straight here. When you come little bit down, you can just check this outlet, Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware, very popular outlet of sanitary and hardware. This is one section, very big outlet. This is one more section of basin, sanitary ware and hardware, very big outlet. Lot of varieties are there. So if you are interested, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. So this is the outlet. You can just have a look. Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware. Lot of varieties of basins, showers, bathroom accessories, everything you get here. Taps, mirrors, digital mirrors, kitchen sinks. Very nice outlet. This collections of basin you're not going to get anywhere. This much collection I have not seen. So if you're interested, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the details. So these are big basins. You can just have a look. Price you WhatsApp, they'll tell you their business gets affected. That's the reason I'm not telling. So these are the big basins, fancy, very nice. Quality is also very nice. This is also one more. You can just have a look. Such a nice basin. So this is big one. This is also wow. Just check this. Beautiful, yeah. Elegant, class, super. This is all fancy basin if you want for restaurant, home, cafe. Definitely people are going to ask you from where did you get this. Such awesome basins they are. So after big basins, I'm going to show you the regular basins. So these are the regular basins. You can just have a look. Oval, square, plain, designer. So many collections of basins are here. You can just check. Silver color. Such nice collections of basins they are having. So if you are interested in purchasing, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They are going to send you all details. Very nice. You will get regular basin also. These are fancy basins, and you will get different taps also. Different colors of taps you will get. You can just check gold color. You will get bronze, black. If you want small, big, different size, all types of size you will get here. This is also very nice. You can just have a look. Red color, blue, pink, tap, you can just have a look. Just see this. Plain. You want glossy, you'll get glossy. You want matte finish, you'll get matte finish. Then you can just see these are some regular basins. If you want, in this also you'll get size, square shape, oval shape, small, big. You can WhatsApp, they'll send you all detail. Otherwise I would have told you the price since they have told me not to tell. And then you can just see these are also collections of the basins, and these are some exclusive premium collections basin. You can just have a look. Beautiful, yeah. Awesome collection this all is. And just have a look at this gold one. Wow, beautiful, stunning. Black, bronze, copper type, white, black, matte finish, gold. This is also one. So many varieties. Almost here he's having 200 varieties of basins as much as I know, and it keeps getting updated. Marble finish. This all is marble finish, small, big. Price is almost wholesale price. If you buy this from other place, you're going to pay almost double price. This is wholesale price. So these are the collections of the basins, and right now I'm just going to show you taps. These are the taps. You can just check. These kind of taps, extendable taps also you'll get. Fancy taps. These are also taps. Regular, bend one. All these are taps. You can just have a look here. If you're looking for some exclusive taps, these are the ones. You can just have a look. These are some exclusive taps. Very nice collections here. I really loved it. And again, these are some exclusive basins. Just check. And you're getting almost for wholesale price only. This is also one more. And these are some exclusive, again, big collections of basins. These kind of showers, fancy showers, you're going to get Nice colors, square, like this shape, small shape, nice collections here. This all is really amazing collections. This all are the collections of the bathroom accessories. You can just have a look. So if you're looking for bathroom accessories, that also you'll get. These are the collections of bathroom accessories. You can just have a look. So lot of varieties, lot of designs in this also. Dispenser, very nice. Lot of collections are there. You can just have a look at this. Kitchen sink also you'll get here. You can just check, like this kitchen sink you'll get here. Again, different varieties in this. So this is one kitchen sink. You'll get Future and other companies here. So this is a kitchen sink. This is also kitchen sink. You can just check. And if you are looking for hardware also you'll get here. You can just check different kind of hardware, door lock, door handle. All these things you're going to get in this also, different shape, different varieties and all you'll get. Then this is all digital mirror. You can just have a look. If you're looking for digital mirror, that also you're going to get here. Different shape, different varieties. So digital mirror also you'll get. You can just check. Like this digital mirrors and all you'll get. If you're looking for regular mirrors, that also you'll get here. Again, different shape, different varieties. Everything is here. You can just have a look. These kind of digital mirrors also you'll get here. And these also digital mirrors. Like this, commodes also you'll get. In commodes also you'll get different colors, different varieties. You can just have a look. This all are the commodes. Commodes also you'll get. And apart from commodes, like this, bathroom accessories with mirrors. You can just check that those mirrors like cupboard and all you will get here. You can just have a look. Very nice collection of shower. Very fancy this looks. And this all are curtain brackets. So if you're looking for curtain brackets, like this also you'll get over here. Digital lock also you'll get. These are digital lock. In this you might get different company also. This Cuba. So if you're looking for digital lock here, fingerprint is there. IFD card is there. Multiple passwords. So this is digitally operated. This is one more section where entire basins are there. You will get big basin. One of the biggest collections of basin. I love the collections of basins that they're having. And then you will get commode also, different colors like this. You can just check chocolate color, grey color, gold. So if you're interested for gold, this also will get. Like this big one you will get awesome collections of basin, sanitary ware, taps, showers. Like this, if you want big showers, this also will get. And these are again different colors of commode. You can just check black, blue, white. Amazing, yeah. This guy is having superb collections. And one of the best wholesale price you will get. One of the best collection as much as I have seen. These are the new kind of taps. You can just check. So, ये क्या hot and cold है? Hot and cold. So if you just press like this and like this, hot and cold will come. And then ये भी है. This is also one more new tap. अच्छा. So like this new one is there. And this is also one more. You can just have a look. अच्छा. This is also there. Okay, cool. And this is also one more new. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections of basins, hardware. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collections. I'll meet you on another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.